Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the game resolution in Crimson Desert. Let's begin by pressing down the menu or the escape key on your keyboard or controller. Then go to Others in this menu. Here navigate to Options and Settings. Then go to the Video tab. Here you can change the resolution. Choose from one of the available presets that fits your monitor. Then simply hit Apply. Of course, I will need to set it to my correct resolution, apply, and well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.